Another day, another English lesson. It's there plus pretty, not that, plus adjective. When describing things in English, we often want to express how strong or weak a quality is. Two useful phrases for this are pretty plus adjective and not that plus adjective. However, they have different meanings and uses. Pretty before an adjective means moderately or quite. It makes the adjective a little stronger. Not that before an adjective means not very or not extremely. It makes the adjective weaker. These phrases help us sound more natural and nuanced in conversation. Key differences and examples. 1. Pretty plus adjective, moderately strong. This is used to say something is somewhat or fairly a certain way. It's slightly stronger than neutral but not extreme. Examples. A. How was the movie? B. It was pretty good. Better than just good but not amazing. A. Are the tests in this course difficult? B. Yeah, they're pretty difficult. More than a little difficult. A. Is your new apartment big? B. It's pretty spacious. More than just a little spacious. 2. Not that plus adjective. Moderately weak. This is used to say something is not very or not extremely a certain way. It softens the adjective, making it less strong. Examples. A. Is the food spicy? B. No, it's not that spicy. Only a little spicy, not too much. A. Is the walk to school far? B. No, it's not that far. Only a little far, not too much. A. Are the books boring? B. Well, they're not that interesting, but it's okay. Not very interesting, but not terrible. Note: pretty adds a slight emphasis, more than expected. Not that reduces the emphasis, less than expected. When to use each. Use pretty when something is more than average but not extreme. Use not that when something is less than expected or to downplay a quality. Now watch and complete the sentences with pretty or not that.
Is he excited about the trip?
He's pretty excited. He's been looking forward to it all year.
Is the new horror movie too intense?
Nah, it's not that scary. I actually thought it was funny.
Should I wear a heavy coat?
It's not that cold outside, just a light jacket will do.
Is the math homework confusing?
The problems are not that complicated. I finished it fast.
Is the internet speed reliable here?
No, it's pretty slow today. Too many people are using it.
Was the concert crowded?
No, it was pretty empty because it was a weekday.
How's the new Italian restaurant?
The pasta's pretty delicious. I'd go back just for that.
Is your new boss strict?
She's not that bad as long as you meet deadlines.
Did you like the museum exhibit?
Yeah, it was pretty interesting, especially the ancient artifacts.
I heard the hike is exhausting.
The trail's not that tiring if you take breaks.
How's the weather at the beach?
It's pretty sunny, don't forget sunscreen.
Was the meeting long?
Yeah, it was pretty boring. We discussed budgets for an hour.
Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning video. Don't forget to like, share, and ring the notification bell for more lessons.